Today's movement challenge is to see if you are hypermobile. To do this, we're going to use Beighton Score, which is a 5-movement test with 4 movements done on both sides for a total score out of 9. So movement 1 is pinky finger movement greater than 90 degrees here. And done on both sides. Movement 2 is touching your thumb to your forearm. Movement 3 is greater than 10 degrees of elbow hyperextension. Movement 4 is knee extension greater than 10 degrees. And movement 5 is, can you put your hands flat on the ground with your knees straight? If you score higher than 4 out of 9, this means that you are hypermobile. This isn't a bad thing, but there are some studies that show that hypermobility is predictive of injury, so this means that you need to have more muscle strength and control of all these movements.